world belongs to people. The world belongs to nearly 7 billion human beings, not kings or religious leaders like that, or different parties.
Right.
Like the United States belongs to American people, like China or Egypt belongs to the people, not few ruling families or individuals. So therefore, then they, in order to sort of carry the responsibility about your own country by the people, then the best system is through election, elected leadership. That also from time to time, election. That's, I think, best way to rule the country by the people, for the people. So democratic system is the best.
So you are